Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thanks again for joining JG Whips. Well, I'm here in the garage, but you'll notice what's not in the garage. Behind me here, garage is empty, and we're gonna get to why in this video. So the other night I'm driving the car, doing some errands. I stopped, run into a store to get some dog food, come back out, start the car up, and the car is shaking violently. The car is just shimmying all over the place. Then of course, service engine soon light comes on, and now we know we got a problem. So I'm about 15 minutes away from home, had a few more errands to run, did those, but the entire time I'm driving the car, it's idling really rough. Anytime I have to stop for a light or a stop sign, the car is just shaking like crazy. As I accelerate, the car will get up to speed, but it'll shake while it's doing it. So I knew we were in for, some repairs, and off to the mechanic it went. So I dropped it off at my mechanics, and they went through the car, and we're going to go pick it up and see what the damage is. So as you can clearly see behind me, the car's back in the garage. So we'll take a quick look at the invoice and see what it costs, what was wrong with the vehicle, what was causing that service engine soon light to come on, and for the vehicle to idle so roughly, and how much it costs to repair and get her back in the garage. All right, here we go. This is the invoice. And as you can see from the invoice, there were misfires on cylinders 3, 4, and 5. So those ignition coils need to be replaced. They did suggest replacing all 6, but I didn't want to do all that at once. It would be rather expensive. The ignition coils are about $90 a piece. And so having to replace 3 of those ignition coils, the grand total for today was $546.58. So about $550 to get that check engine light cleared, replace 3 of the ignition coils that were misfiring, and hopefully in the future, we don't have this problem again, but there's still 3 cylinders that can go down, and I imagine I'll be back to get those replaced sometime in the future.